You want to talk about a car in amazing condition? Check out this 1974 Pontiac Firebird Formula 350. Absolutely beautiful. It's finished in the rare Denver gold color. That 350 is rebuilt and sounds amazing. Look at this car. It's immaculate. The body's amazing. I haven't seen anything like it in a long time. As far as the restoration quality, no Bondo or plastic, just all metal. What a beautiful car. Automatic, power steering, power brakes, custom stereo hidden in the glove box, visual radio still in the dash, so it's all untouched. Look at that dual snorkel hood. Beautiful car. Check this out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.